Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to get started with Zoho Books quickly and easily, perfect for managing your business finances without the hassle. First, open your browser and head to the Zoho Books website. Click the sign up button to start your free 14-day trial. It's a great way to test the features before committing. Next, fill in your company name, email, password, and country. These details help Zoho customize your setup. Once done, log in using your email or mobile number and password. After that, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your financial command center. Take a moment to explore. It gives you a quick overview of your business health. Now, let's look at sales. You can add customers, create invoices and estimates, and record payments. It's all automated to save you time and reduce errors. To complete your setup, manage purchases by adding vendor details and tracking expenses. You can also organize your products or services, especially helpful if you have a big inventory. Next, connect your bank accounts. Zoho Books syncs your statements and matches transactions automatically, keeping everything accurate and up to date. Then create branded invoices using customizable templates, record payments and expenses to keep your books balanced. Finally, generate reports like profit and loss statements or balance sheets. These give you clear insights to make smart business decisions. And that's it. Zoho Books makes bookkeeping simple, smart, and stress-free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.